Hey there, it's Melissa Horsley with Summit CFOs, and today I want to talk to you about knowing your numbers so that you can control your business. If you feel like your business is making money but it's not showing up in your bank account, it's not because you're bad at business, it's because you don't have the visibility into your numbers that you need. And the truth is, you cannot control what you cannot see. Most contractors I talk to are busy, they're booked out, they're doing real revenue, but they still feel stressed. They're tight on cash, and they're unsure where things stand. And it's not because they're doing anything wrong operationally, it's because they're not tracking the right numbers, or they're looking at them too late to actually make decisions. So if you only focus on a few things, I want you to focus on these 3 numbers. The first one is cash, and I don't mean just logging into your bank account occasionally and seeing what's there. Oftentimes your bank balance is lying to you. You might have $80,000 sitting there, but if $50,000 of that is already committed to payroll, materials, or bills, you don't actually have $80,000. You might actually have $30,000 or less. So what you need to know is this: what's in the bank, what's already spoken for, what's actually available, and that will give you real control. The second is gross profit per job and your overall gross profit. This is where I see the biggest issues. A lot of the contractors I work with think they need more jobs, when really they just need better margins. A quick example of this is you sell a job for $20,000, it costs you $16,000 in labor and materials. That leaves you with $4,000. That's only a 20% gross profit. For most trades, that's way too tight. Because from that $4,000, you still have to cover overhead, office staff, insurance, software, trucks, everything else, and pay yourself. So you're working hard, but you're not actually keeping very much. That's not a sales problem, that's a job costing problem. Third, weekly cash flow, not monthly, weekly. You should be able to answer what's coming in this week, what's going out this week. Because if you can't see even 2 to 4 weeks ahead, you're constantly reacting instead of planning. And that's where the real stress comes in. The contractors who feel in control, they know what's coming before it hits. So if you take nothing else from this, know your real cash position, know your gross profit per job, and know your short-term cash flow. Contractors who know these numbers don't panic, they make decisions. And that's the difference between running a business and your business running you. Book a call and see how we can shore up your cash flow. While you're on the job site, we're on the books, making sure the numbers measure up. Have a beautiful day.